Oh, it's great to be back. Hey there people, how's it going? This is Srivastav and you're watching the Daredreamer Show. Well, I know that I have been late with uploading my videos and it's been few months now. And I know I got stuck up with some work and it had to be given priority at that time, but well, now it's taken care of and I can resume with my work only. So, in today's video, we will be going to explore this medium called Willow charcoal. Yep, there is it. It has some unique properties. It's made out of willow wood. It has a very smooth texture and can be easily rubbed off with just fingers. It gives you amazing level of speed while working on rapid sketches, light sketches and studies. And when used in combination with some flat brushes and erasers, you can create some amazing artworks. You know what, let's try it practically.
Now, experimentation has one simple rule that you need to remember the foundational steps. And the foundational step says that you need to have a focal point in your paintings. Well, in the beginning. So here what I am creating is using the what do we say that? I'm dividing the screen into 3 equal parts vertically, and then I will use horizontal divisions to create 9 equal parts. This is actually called the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds gives us four focal points: 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 focal points I will be using while I create my painting. I experiment over here. So now I am just seeing how the willow charcoal creates strokes, and these are pretty amazing, pretty smooth, huh? Alright, so I am just going to fast forward it, but before that I am going to break this stick. The stick, while breaking, you need to remember that it should be one small and one big, well, to cover different sizes of surface areas. Now let's fast forward. Okay, before that I would like to see that how this thing can create gradients, and that's amazing. Fast forwarding it now. I like that. These lines are balanced around these focal points. Now this circle, I am quite intrigued by the circle, so I created in my every drawing actually. And now we're just creating some dark spaces and white spaces and playing around it. Playing is what you actually need to do. It should be fun. If it's not fun, what's the use? Now I will do something crazy. I will fill my corner with dark space. But before that, I'm going to utilize this crazy property of this charcoal, that it can be rubbed off easily with fingers. It can also be rubbed off with flat brushes. So I'm using that to create an amazing texture over here. Yep, that's more like it. Now filling the area. Now if I have filled this area, I need to balance it over the left side as well. So I am creating a dark area on the top left as well. Balancing the same texture over there is also important. Why? Because, well, otherwise the painting will look too heavy from one side. Okay, you know what happens in a seesaw when it's heavy from one side? It falls. So I need to balance it on the top as well. But first I need to finish it over the bottom. Once it's done, I'm moving on to the top. Now creating textures on the top, and this feels like somewhat balanced. While experimenting, you need to remember that it's play. It's trial and error and fixing those errors. So, while playing with it, you create things and you distort it again, and you balance it again, and you create things again. Then you distort again, and then you create again. That's how it goes. See those strokes I just made? I distorted the flow. Now I will balance it in my painting. That's how it's done. And that is the most amazing part of Willow charcoals, that you can create things and erase things pretty easily. Remember when I talked about speed? These sticks are one of those mediums that can give you the maximum speed while creating pieces of artworks. So I felt like I was going in the direction of creating some kind of an eye, and I ended up creating an eyeball, which I didn't want to create. So I am, let me just finish it first, and we'll see if it works out or not. It's looking okay, but well, let's break it. Let's do something else. Let's fill it with black. And here we go. We create a black area on the top left again. Now this demands something darker on the left side as well. But before that, I'm creating the same texture I created with small flat brush. Now with a larger one. Creating larger, similar textured surface. Yeah, it is all about layers. While working in an experimental artwork, it comes out gradually with layers. Playing with layers is so fun. You create really amazing pieces, and you never know when it's done. You just need to stop when you feel like, then now I can stop. Yeah, it looks okay, but I think I will be removing this eyeball from the center, because it's driving everyone towards the center of this painting, and I don't want that. I want people to move around this painting, to move their eyes around this painting. And for that, I am going to, now I will turn everything black, and that's the best part. This is the part where actually things go south, and you need to have patience, because sometimes your artworks look not that interesting and you lose interest over there and you stop working. You don't have to stop working. You have to keep working on to make it look better again. working and working and working. Now this is the best part. I'll just show my eraser how it looks from one side. It has taken so much charcoal inside it that it has turned from white to this complete black. It's so amazing. Now I have to rub it on a surface. Fast forward. I feel like I should create a hand over here. It feels like a door and a division that is creating an opening in that door. So I think that I'll move forward with it. Yes, I will create a hand. See, it's all about making decisions. Now I'll go with it. See, if you are experiencing all this for the first time, I need you to first look into my other video, the video made over sketching that covers all these points. Okay, the video is displayed over the cards. You can hit the button over there, the I button, top right corner, and this is the hand is done. Now what will I do to make it pop out from the surface? I will create a shadow. That's the easiest thing I can do to pick it up from the ground level. To make it look like it's coming from the inside, I will create a dark area around that opening so that it looks that it's coming from the inside towards outside. Okay, this kind of looks something like a door lock, and I'm almost done. I think just creating some highlights with eraser, and in a few minutes I think I'm almost finished. Yes, I'm done. This is it, complete. Just a finishing touch. I promise, just a finishing touch. Now it's done. Done.
Okay, so that was all about today's video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, I would like you to hit the like button and comment down below so that I can know that you like it and you found it helpful. Even if you didn't, you can comment down that below as well. Yeah, helps to improve my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, is it your first time, you can see my other videos and hit the subscribe button to be updated with my newer videos. But you need to hit the bell icon as well for that. Don't forget that. Okay, until then, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Stop right there, I have something more for you. There are some more videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You might want to have a look on that. If you like this one, I'm sure you like that one as well. Head on, the playlist and the videos are here.